How can we go wrong when you're here with me? All of time and space would stop, and they'd stop for you and me. How can we go wrong? We're like words within a song, perfect rhyme and perfect time and perfect harmony. Now our words have lost their way, and all they seem to say, you don't intend to stay with me. Tell me why, when we have come this far, how happy as we are. But now how can I feel right when you're not by my side? Strange that I'm here all alone, and letting go the happy times, the happy fun, the perfect rhyme. How can I go on? How can I move on? How can I? I close my eyes and softly ask, what's happening to me? I realize I'm all alone without your company. But we smile, we won't say sorry. One look and we have cast our fears aside. Sometime we'll turn to forever. Somewhere we're not just in one place, but everywhere until that sometime, somewhere we just have to be content with Steve.